everyone, myself Amudha Kumar, and I'm basically a digital marketing trainer, and everybody knows that if you're following my YouTube channel, you know about me better. Okay, so today I'm going to take an interesting thing to discuss, that why do you publish your videos in Tamil? That's the question. Lots of people are asking me, why do you publish your videos in Tamil? Why not in English? Ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching this YouTube channel and if you have benefited out of my YouTube video after watching it, then that is the reason why I started my YouTube channel in Tamil. To be very frank, I did not start my YouTube channel in Tamil. I started in English. Later, I received lots of feedback from my subscribers that, sir, there are thousands and thousands of videos available in the internet. Then there are hundreds and hundreds of videos available in the internet with English and Hindi. But we don't understand the logic. We are trying to understand, but we don't get the gist or the core concept of it. We couldn't implement those ideas just because we don't understand that. Now, having been considering that one, I started publishing my videos in Tamil medium. Okay, I'm sure lots of people are getting benefited. I have received lots of calls from local villages in Tamil Nadu, especially farmers, small business owners, and all those people who wants to establish their business online. People do call me and ask me doubt like, sir, I did this, but what should I do next? And my YouTube video where I talk about optimizing your local business listing has a huge visitors, and people are watching it and they're getting benefit out of it. People who are having travels, they are calling and telling you that after watching your video, we are getting better results, or after implementing a concept. And farmers calling and telling me, sir, we are from Tanjavur, we are from Theni, Madurai, and the people are telling me like, you know, your way of telling things in Tamil is helping us a lot in establishing ourselves in digital platform. This is the primary reason why I'm publishing all my videos in Tamil medium. Now, again, so there are other subscribers who communicated with me stating that, sir, we have thousands and thousands and hundreds of videos in English in the platform, but we want to hear from you in English medium. When you are educating us in English medium, we feel more comfortable, more connected with you personally, and your ideas are helping us too. Now, I'm going to consider this request also, and I have decided that I'm going to reshoot those videos in Tamil and publish it in English also. So the same concept will be available in English and also in Tamil, and people can easily understand based on your channel. Now, I'm leaving it in your hands. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching this video and if you have been benefited out of it some way or the other, is it a good decision to publish the content in Tamil and also in English? So do let me know as a comment here and share this video to listen from others. And thank you so much, and I'll be back with another video